This is a brand new Ford F350 Super Duty. It's got its lights right here. She's pretty. She's a she's a 4-door. You mind if I step inside to see the siren?
No.
Huh?
No, go ahead.
Okay. She's got a V-Con siren with high-low, if I'm correct, right? She still has her new car smell. Her headlights are really nice. And how many days old is she? How many days old is she?
2 weeks.
And she's only 2 weeks old. She's just a newborn, right? Yep. And this is inside from Station Company 7. This is Station Company's 10 spare, but Station 7 is using it as their spare because the 7 is out of service.